Every moment in life hides its own unique story, one that could make you smile, reflect deeply, or even shift the way you see the world. What if one simple moment could change everything? Let's embark on this journey together to experience these inspiring moments that are waiting to be discovered. Imagine the most unsettling loneliness, a cold grip creeping over you as you drive through an eerie forest where everything before you feels hauntingly strange. What is that feeling? The one that stirs something deep within when you're surrounded. As the rain unexpectedly sweeps across the stadium, a wave of surprise and delight floods the crowd. What are the odds that such a beautiful, refreshing downpour could bring such joy and wonder to those witnessing it? A simple yet unforgettable moment. A dog, who perhaps has done the impossible, standing up and opening the door like it's second nature. Did the owner ever think this little companion could do such a thing? The bond they share is stronger than anyone could ever imagine. This man and his bizarrely designed motorcycle. But what truly captures attention is the helmet he wears. Have you ever seen something so uniquely crafted, so wildly out of the ordinary? It's a true testament to individuality and creativity. What happens when a bear enters a cat's territory? What will the cat do to protect its home? This little feline's courage is about to be tested in the most unexpected of ways, and you won't believe how it handles the situation. As the boat rocks violently on the turbulent sea, how will the passengers react? Will fear grip their hearts? Or will they find an inner strength that keeps them calm in the face of such wild chaos? The sight of a snowfall can make one imagine a flurry of pure white bunnies charging into a house. But what happens when the snowstorm takes over? How does nature, in all its beauty, create such enchanting images? Nature continually surprises us with masterpieces we can't even fathom. Who could have imagined the wonders the world has to offer? The landscapes, the creatures, the miracles that seem to defy reality. Nature truly is an artist. The terrifying explosion causes panic among the people. What do they do when the very earth beneath them shakes? How does chaos unfold when something so shocking shakes the very core of their lives? Take a look at this guy. What has he done to his furniture? It's not just a set of chairs and tables, no. This is a transformation, a statement, a true work of art in its own right. A rare incident involving a waitress and her colleague. What happens when an accident turns into something unforgettable, filled with humor and camaraderie? You won't believe the twist that this simple mistake took. Will machines ever surpass humans? Could technology ever evolve to a point where it's capable of surpassing our abilities? What does the future hold when the lines between human and machine begin to blur? storm of unimaginable power rips through, forcing everyone to pull over on the side of the road. What is it like to be caught in the grip of such fury? How do you keep calm when nature unleashes its full force? Two grown chimpanzees brawl, but instead of fear, the crowd watches in fascination. What draws people to such wild, untamed behavior? It's a rare glimpse into the primal side of nature. A skilled pilot, daring and precise, lands a plane on the back of a pickup truck. Both him and the driver, artists in their own right, combine their expertise for a thrilling, jaw-dropping moment that pushes the limits of possibility. A renowned car brand puts its latest model to the ultimate test. A race against the fastest creature on Earth, a cheetah. What's at stake here? The speed, the thrill, the sheer awe of watching technology battle nature's best. A full-grown lion surrounded by a pack of hyenas faces its greatest challenge yet. Will this king of the savannah fight back with everything it has? Or is this the beginning of the end? How did this pigeon manage to balance a single egg on its belly, never once letting it fall? Could it be the bird's careful posture or a miracle of nature? Either way, it's a sight that commands respect. What's going on with these birds as they gather in massive flocks at a single location? The sight is almost unreal. How do they synchronize so perfectly, creating a spectacle of movement and rhythm that's nothing short of extraordinary? This dog is truly living the life, soaking in the blissful relaxation with the car wash equipment. The comfort it finds in such a simple moment is the ultimate reminder to enjoy the little things in life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if this video made you smile.